In the vast, azure expanse of the ocean, a small tuna swam with a melody in its heart. Known as Tuna Melody, he was not like other fish, for he had the ability to compose enchanting melodies from the rhythm of waves. One day, Tuna Melody stumbled upon a dark reef, where a school of his kin were trapped. A net had been cast, ensnaring them, and despair filled the water. The tuna felt a pang in his heart and knew he had to act. He swam towards the net, his scales shimmering as he approached. The other fish watched in awe, sensing the determination in Tuna Melody's every stroke. He reached the net, his heart pounding with the rhythm of hope. With a powerful leap, Tuna Melody's body pressed against the net, and it began to weaken. The other fish saw their chance and followed, bursting through the net and escaping their prison. Tuna Melody's melody grew stronger as he led them to safety. But in the chaos, Tuna Melody found himself ensnared in the net, unable to escape. The other fish swam away, leaving him behind. Tuna Melody looked up at the surface, his heart heavy with sorrow. Yet, as he lay entrapped, a strange thing happened. The waves began to dance around him, each wave carrying a note that joined together to form a melody. Tuna Melody realized that he had composed a symphony, a song of courage and unity. As the sun set, Tuna Melody's song reached the surface, carried by the wind to the ears of his kin. They heard the symphony and returned, their hearts filled with gratitude. Together, they worked tirelessly to free Tuna Melody, and with the last of his strength, he swam free. Tuna Melody had sacrificed himself for his kin, but in doing so, he had shown them the power of unity and the beauty of sacrifice. From that day on, the school of tuna swam together, their hearts beating in rhythm, their music echoing throughout the ocean. Tuna Melody's song served as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, when we stand together and act with courage, we can create a symphony that transcends the ocean, a symphony of hope, unity, and sacrifice.